Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Logitech wireless mouse, easy setup step by step clearly. Start by unpacking your Logitech wireless mouse. Ensure you have all components, the mouse, the USB receiver, and any included batteries. Take a moment to locate the power switch on the bottom of the mouse. If necessary, insert the batteries by following the indicator on the battery compartment. Once the batteries are in place, toggle the power switch to the on position. Now, locate the USB receiver, which is typically a small, black dongle. Plug the USB receiver into an available USB port on your computer. It's often recommended to use a USB port directly on your computer rather than a hub for better connectivity. Next, wait for your operating system to recognize the device. You might see a notification indicating that your mouse is being set up. Once the setup is complete, try moving the mouse to see if the cursor responds on your screen. If the cursor moves, your mouse is successfully connected. If it does not respond, check that the mouse is powered on and the USB receiver is securely inserted. For enhanced functionality, consider installing Logitech software, available on their official website. This software can help customize buttons and settings according to your preferences. After any additional setup, your Logitech wireless mouse is ready for use. Enjoy your new wireless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.